No, it is, it's compressing the file. Alright, so for this problem right here, if you have a logarithmic equation, and what we need to do for a logarithmic equation is we want to try to get rid of the log, right? We don't want to evaluate our log. So what I'm going to try to do is first thing I'm going to put this in logarithmic form. This is not in logarithmic form. I have the 7 here, alright, and I have the 3. So what I can do is I'm going to subtract the 7 on both sides. There I have a 3 ln of x equals a -2. Now I know that 3 can be raised to that that exponent up there, right? So you could keep it like that if you want to.
What exponent?
3 can be you can rewrite it like this. Why don't we just do it like that? Ln of x cubed equals -2.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's do it that way. And then, or you could divide by an ln of x. I just want to show you guys there's multiple ways to do these problems.
You need to divide by 3.
Divide by 3.
3x, same thing.
Okay? So you guys can either bring that up front, solve like this, or you can divide by the 3. Okay? Then, now what we need to do is we need to solve for x. So there's 2 different ways you can do this. We can exponentiate, what they say, exponentiate each side with the base e, or you can rewrite it in logarithmic form. So this one I'll rewrite in logarithmic form, and this one I'll exponentiate to each side. So here, to write in logarithmic form, remember that it's a base e. So you have e to the -2nd power equals x cubed, right? Please tell me you guys remember logarithmic exponential. Okay. And here, let's say I raise each power to, or each side to the ln of x power. Okay? Remember, e raised to ln is going to cancel out. You're left with x equals e to the -2/3. Okay? Here, to get rid of the cube root, take the, let's just write it on the next bar. So this is the e squared equals x cubed. I get rid of my cube root. Isn't it amazing? Therefore, I get e to the the cube root of e to the -1/2 equals x. And remember we talked about transferring from a rational over to a, taking a root to a rational expression. This is going to be the same thing as x equals e to the -2/3. So you guys see how I did this 2 different ways and I still get the exact same answer? So it's really, guys, this is what I think is so difficult about these problems is there's not like one exact way to do all these. You really just got to know your properties and then just apply the ones that make sense to you. Okay?